I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. We are happy, we are free. We laugh together, hand in hand, best friends walking across the land. I love you, you love me, sharing joy so peacefully. When I fall, you help me stand. You are always close, not far, not grand. I love you, you love me, like sunshine smiling at the sea. We sing our songs both loud and true. Everything feels bright with you. I love you, you love me, in simple words and honesty. Through happy days and skies of blue, my heart feels safe because of you. I love you, you love me, a promise kind, a bond so free. No fear, no tears, just hearts that see. Love grows best in unity.